This is like the fourth time I've been attending this conference, and believe me, it has evolved a lot. It has been very informative. All the speakers are so we have doctors also this time, in fact. So that's how they have evolved. Like first, we used to always have spokesperson only from beauty industry, but now we have doctors, and there's so much of information passed, and so detailed knowledge has been given in this exhibition. So yes, it has evolved a lot. So thank you, StyleSpeak. Thank you, HBS, for this conference. So in beauty industry, overall, there is lack of training, and we need to overall lack of education, I would rather say. So there are beauticians in every nooks and corners of India, but they are not well trained or well educated about beauty, and they've been traditionally practicing facials and all that, but without having a right kind of knowledge. But this kind of conferences just adds to the knowledge of the beautician, and help them to also evolve and upgrade themselves. So this is what we say, I would rather say this is the best part about the conference. Okay, so microcurrent, and microcurrent. I know only about Myolift microcurrent facials because that's the brand I am working with, and I know it's the future of the beauty skincare industry, and because there's microcurrent basically bridges the gap between the extreme treatments like Botox and fillers and something which is like a traditional Indian facial. So I feel microcurrent, and of course also hydrofacial, because it's a rage. People are talking more about hydrofacial. People are wanting to do hydrofacial. So of course microcurrent and hydrofacial, these two treatments are something which people are more keen on getting. So beauty business has changed over the period of time. So now dermats or doctors or cosmetologists also want to, basically do facial treatments, and the salons want to do the treatments, the cosmetology treatments which are offered by doctors. So it has changed over the years, and now it is, I would rather say it has evolved over the years, and it is getting better and better. So there's huge scope in beauty industry. Yeah, that's it.